Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everything you're witnessing right here is what Inshot can do, and you don't know the top 5 things that Inshot can do for you. If you're new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and follow this tutorial, and if you're coming back, welcome back. So now we're going to be running the top 5 things that Inshot can do that you did not know about. On our number 1, did you know that Inshot can create very beautiful thumbnails? They have actually saved my life, and they actually look quite good. So check the next post to see how good these thumbnails look, and thank me later for the tip. Am I right or am I right? Now listen, I'm not very stingy with my tips, so after this particular video I'm going to be doing a series of tutorials on exactly how to use your Inshot app, so stay with us. At number 2, this may come as a surprise, but did you know that Inshot can create very creative intro videos? Watch the next post to see what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about basic, I'm talking about very good. So stay tuned and see the next. I mean, it could be better, but are you not shocked that Inshot did all of this? Why not just watch our tutorial next time to know what I'm talking about? Coming in at number 3. Did you know that Inshot can actually make your logo animated, like your face, you animated, make you move in ways that look professional? Oh my god, if you're doubting, you're about to be cleared. Moving logo, check. Me moving at bottom, check. That brings up to our 4th point. At number 4, did you know that Inshot can actually make like a logo for you, like a letter logo for you? And did you even realize that? I am going to put something that I did, like I didn't put it on a video, but you can put it on a video anyways. No limitation on fonts whatsoever, and that, my dears, is how powerful Inshot can be for. I see you already moving to the next level in your video editing skills. So here are our 4 advanced Inshot tutorial tips. I'm sure you're very shocked that Inshot can do all of this. I was shocked too when I found out. So therefore, my loves, I love you so much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that when our tutorials come out, you're the first person in the entire world to know. Okay, see you next time. See you in like a day's time, because we're going to be putting like almost every day of the week. So see you in a day's time, and I love you, darlings. Bye, take care.